6 million tons of plastic cutlery is discarded every year. Are you ready for a better alternative? Introducing Forkanife, high-quality, stainless steel, jackknife cutlery that fits right in your wallet. Whatever your style, you always have room for Forkanife. No matter where your day takes you, Forkanife goes with you. Whatever your pastime, Forkanife is along for the adventure. Most of the time, it's there when you just want a quick lunch or some takeout. You won't need to use plastic. The stainless steel Forkanife works so much better and can last forever. Because of the harm they're causing, plastic utensils will be banned in over a dozen countries and 4 US states, with many more to follow. You'll never get caught needing cutlery, and you won't be discarding harmful plastics. So whether you're trying to do your part for the environment, or simply don't want to get caught needing utensils at your favorite lunch spot, Forkanife will get the job done. David Wood, CEO of Virtus Outdoor Group, Marine Corps combat veteran, and extreme sports athlete, takes the Forkanife with him on high-stakes adventures across the globe.
Today I'm going to be telling you guys about a little product that I love, that I use daily. It's called Forkanife. This is the size of a credit card. This fits right into my wallet, my climbing gear, my pack. Foldable stainless steel knife and foldable stainless steel fork. I think one thing we can all align on and agree on is that we need to take care of our planet. One thing that we can all do is stop using plastics.
Forkanife's unique patent-pending design works much better than plastic and will make your meals simply more enjoyable. Perfect for the office or any small business wherever you work, and for restaurant owners that are having trouble dealing with the plastic bans. We'll offer a Kickstarter wholesale package for bulk orders to sell in your restaurant, food truck, or small business.
Hi, I'm Connor Forkin, creator of the Forkanife. Cold Forged is a startup company, one with over 20 years experience in product development, manufacturing, and global distribution. The inspiration for the Forkanife actually came from a press conference where they were announcing a ban on plastic utensils. Everyone seemed to agree the ban was a good idea, and yet no one had an answer for how small businesses, and consumers for that matter, would adapt. The Forkanife is one sustainable solution. The tooling for the Forkanife is now complete, and strict product and safety testing is now underway. We've been using the Forkanife ourselves for the past 5 months, eating with the majority of our meals, testing, refining, and evolving the design. It works great. The Forkanife does exactly what it's supposed to do, and it does it better than plastic in every way.
Forkanife cleans up in a snap, and the jackknife design protects the blades and prongs. Ditch the plastic. Forkanife is more compact, works better, and is better for the planet. Made from high-quality stainless steel and recycled plastic, Forkanife is better in every way. One day soon, you'll be glad you have a set. Forkanife. Compact, functional, sustainable, from Cold Forged.